after we turn the corner here at Point of Whale. The size of a small school bus. Does more than a school bus does, though, when it's in orbit. To give you a feel for the size of that building, though, look at the big American flag on the side there. You can see it. Keep in mind that each one of the stars on that flag is 6 feet in diameter. Boat ran into the shoreline just before Honda Creek. Gulls and some pelicans down there. Responsible for cleaning up all of the toxic materials in the area that were expelled during the launch of all of those Titan II missiles. And that vertical white tower you see, and use the vehicle they rolled it out on to lift it up, and it becomes the launch tower for the launch. And the second launch facility that they had must fill that all in, and they brought. Now this is an area that's open to the public. See all the people out there now? It's a day use only park for the residents.